Chen! Ching Lei! May I help you?
We'll be asking the questions, old man. Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up! You!
Yes?
Not you, him! What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you!
I am me.
He's me. And I'm you.
And I'm about to whoop your old ass, man, because I'm sick of playing games. You, me, everybody's ass around here. Him? I'm gonna kick his ass. I'm sick of it.
Let me
Lee, no, Lee, no.
How was it? Was it funny?
I've seen this movie.
Yes. I know.
also have seen this movie, ma'am.
It's an old movie, but this scene is iconic. Like, it's amazing. Every time I watch this scene, I have to laugh or grin or whatever. I know what's coming, but still, like, you know, who are you? I am you. Oh my God, that's funny. Okay, so who, now that we have majority people, we'll start. Who will tell me what we did in the previous class? Like, very short. I give you about 3 minutes or 2 minutes you have to sum up everything that we did.
We did an activity and we learned about different paintings.
Okay, let me remind you what we did in the last SDG class. That was on Tuesday.
I forgot.
That's fine. I'll give you a hint. Ancient Troy.
Yes, ma'am. I know.
Juveria.
Yes,
Juveria, go ahead.
we made fossils. We went on a virtual tour.
Yes, thank you so much.
We learned about Turkey.
Turkey, very good. And Abdullah Patel, go ahead.
Ma'am, it was found by a German man, and that was in like a hill structure. It was on the 7th place. There were 9.
Yes.
It was like on one kingdom is the another and another.
Perfect. Excellent, Abdullah Patel. I'm happy. And what was that fortress called in Turkish? Starts with
Something
letter
like-
H. Usman, you just got up, Usman? You just woke up?
No,
Okay. What is the fortress called, the mountain called as?
I
in
don't
Turkey,
remember, ma'am.
Turkish. Hisarlar. All right, it was called as Hisarlar. And what did UNESCO do with that site? UNESCO declared it as the World Heritage Site. Okay. Now, with this, y'all remember I ended with an activity where I showed y'all certain pictures and asked you to write questions. Yes. So we'll continue with the very same activity. Don't worry, I will show you the pictures again. All you have to do is grab a book and a pencil. All right. If you have it around you, all the more better. I'll show you the pictures. You know the rule. You got to look at the picture, observe the picture, and frame questions that come to your mind. It can be 2 questions per picture. Okay, for one picture, you should have minimum 2 questions. You can frame more than that.
Mom, see, I finished it.
What, beta? Ah, perfect, Humaira. Humaira, keep it. We'll do this on Saturday.
Okay, ma'am.
Now we are doing
Ma'am.
SDG. Yes.
Ma'am, last class I already framed 2 questions about the pictures.
Keep it with you. I have many more pictures to show. Okay.
I only one question about one picture.
Yeah, that's the reason I'm letting you frame, showing you pictures again, and then we'll frame questions. Okay. You have to frame. So if you see this picture, frame any 2 questions or any 1 question is also fine. Look at this picture carefully. Frame any one question or two questions. Fine. Whatever comes to your mind when you look at this picture.
Rich people.
Already wrote the question.
No, do not tell me. Do not tell me. Just silently observe the picture and write down two questions related to it. Okay. So this maybe you can name it as page
Can we write
one.
only one?
Yes, you can write one question.
Ma'am,
as well,
for both-
for each picture.
Ma'am, for both, we have to write two.
Yes. If you can manage, then that would be great. If not, then one is acceptable.
Ma'am, what's the
Two for both.
Aisha, did you come in right now?
yeah?
Okay, Aisha, we stopped at this activity in the previous class and we are continuing with this activity, the very same activity. So
We have to write points about it.
you have to look at the picture and frame questions. Any two questions for these pictures. Yes.
Ma'am, one for each.
One for each is also fine, Aisha, and two for each is also.
Ma'am,
that
I
would be great. Sorry?
I made the question last class.
Ma'am,
Yes, there are more pictures. If you one for two.
Yes, ma'am.
Umar, at least make one for one. Umar, at least make one question for one picture.
Ma'am, can I make one question for one picture?
4 questions.
Yes. Yes, you all can make one question for one picture as well.
Ma'am, I made 4 questions for the both.
Okay, that's perfect. Should I move ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, should I switch on to the next picture?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the second one is the same, no?
No. That is one question right there, Umar. Is it this? Are these jewelry or ornaments, whatever you call it, similar to the first one?
Ma'am, do you know that thing we put it on our window? Then the hawa comes. Then they do like this.
Wind chime, yes. Then the hawa comes. Abdullah. Oh my God.
Ma'am,
Yes.
second one, which is surface na?
I don't know. I don't know. Don't tell me what it is. You write questions. That can be your own question. Hamza, that can be your very question. Write it down. Go ahead. Is it an ornament that we tied on the head? That could be your own question. Okay, I want everybody to switch on the videos. Nobody will have the videos off. Fazlani?
Ma'am, for the first two, I wrote means two, and for the fourth and means
Third and fourth?
third and fourth, I wrote only one.
That's fine. Yeah, it's okay. Completely fine. Okay, can I move to the next one?
Ma'am, all of my questions have is that it is fine.
Yes, completely fine, acceptable, totally. Do not doubt your work. Yes,
Ma'am.
Usman.
Ma'am, wait.
A minute. Mohammed, I'll just listen to Usman and then I'll come to you. Yes, Usman.
What is the meaning of SDG?
SDG is Sustainable Development Goals. All right. So United Nations has come up with these Sustainable Development Goals that we need to achieve in order to make world a better place to live in by 2030. Okay, so we have approximately only 10 years in our hand, a decade, and we have to really work towards these goals. So every SDG class, that is Sustainable Development Goal class, we pick up one goal, a theme, and we learn about the past and how, like, you know, we can
Ma'am,
apply
this
it in
is
the
life on
present.
land, right, ma'am?
Oh,
This
no, no, no,
SDG
no,
goal.
no. No, no, no. This is just the beginning. We are coming to the goal. Don't worry. But you can maybe assume and think of the goal that it would come.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can we take the same? Ma'am, can we take the same question for another one also?
Yes, yes. Yes, you
Can
can.
you change the picture now?
Sure, I'll change the picture. I was waiting for somebody to tell me that. Humaira, are you writing, beta? I want you to write one question for one picture, okay?
Ma'am.
Yes, good. At least write one question for one picture.
Ma'am, this picture has so many things in it, ma'am. So can I
Right.
make more than
Yes, you can.
any?
Don't let it exceed more than 5.
Okay. I just have 2 for this question.
Perfect. Perfect. Okay. I think it's about time to hunt for the answers. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yes.
It's okay. It's fine. No, no, no. Listen, it's completely fine with whatever work you've done up till now. Okay, you don't have to, like, you know, complete it and all that. All right, it's fine. So I'm going to shut this.
Ma'am, I can find the question and answer. Is it?
That's fine. Humaira, what did you say?
I can find the question.
You cannot frame a question. It's fine, Humaira. How about you just see and listen to everybody? Okay. Yes. There you are. Okay.
2 questions.
You have.
Yes, I have 2 questions.
Okay, that's excellent, Humaira. Thank you so much. All right. First picture is this. Okay. Now, remember the German archaeologist who went on digging the Hisarlik? Yes. What was his name? Henry Schliemann. Okay. So these were the pictures of the treasures found by Henry Schliemann. Okay. So whatever treasures he had, the pictures were taken out of the excavation, and this is what it is. So does anybody have this common question?
Yes.
When it comes to this treasure? Yes. So here is your answer. It is a collection of artifacts found by Henry Schliemann. They were found in what was believed to be the original site of ancient Troy. Okay. So this was King Priam's treasure. Does anybody have this common question with them?
Yes.
What is in the collection? So there you are. It is a shield, a cauldron. Basically, a cauldron is a pot, okay, a big black pot.
Ma'am, I had. Is that kitchen utensil?
Yes, perfect. So here is your answer.
Ma'am, I also have that. Is this ancient utensils?
Ma'am, I wrote the. My question was that
Knives
what
also.
are these things used for?
Perfect. So I think,
Ma'am,
yes.
Ma'am.
What are the names of the artifacts?
Okay, so here it is. I
Ma'am,
can see
ma'am.
maximum. Yes, yes.
Can I say, ma'am, I the down one see like it's
There I write, is that a tube or a basket?
That's perfect, yeah, because you see, what is in the collection is answering majority of your questions. Okay, it was framed in a different manner.
Yes.
Yes,
Ma'am,
so here
my-
it is.
Same.
Ma'am,
I
ma'am,
had 3 questions for this. One was the utensils, so yes. One was the knives. It is also that silver knife. And one
So
more
just
is
just
there.
tell me, is this question answering your question?
Yes.
Yes, completely.
I
Majority
wrote
of the
what are
class.
the names of these artifacts.
Perfect. You have it right in front of you, right?
Yes.
Okay, so there is a
Ma'am.
shield, there is a cauldron, a vase, 2
Are they
diadems, rings. Yes, they were. Yes, they were expensive. Buttons, bracelets. Now they are artifacts.
Ma'am, what are
They are
goblets?
priceless. You cannot buy them. Okay. Hold on. Goblet
Like
should
the
be.
painting of Mona Lisa, ma'am.
Yes. A bottle, gold cups, and silver knives. Goblets should be one of the
Who is
pots or something. I
priceless
don't know.
in this? Who is priceless?
What is priceless? These artifacts are priceless. They are not for sale. Okay. When would it have been made and used? Anybody had this question?
The ancient.
No.
Oh, okay. So here it is. Where was it found?
No.
Anybody had this
We don't
question?
have
So
that question.
it
No.
was found in Hisarla, which is believed to be ancient Troy. Okay. And where is it now?
In
Nobody?
the museum.
Yes. It's in the Pushkin
The
State
Pushkin
Museum
State Museum of Fine
of
Arts
Fine
in
Arts in
Moscow.
Moscow. Okay.
Moscow.
There it is. Now coming to the next.
Ma'am, I
How
have
about
one
this?
more question, ma'am, for that one.
Okay, tell me, Abdullah.
It is, ma'am, that okay, on this idam first there is some things, there are some jewelry, down there are something written. So is that their language?
Oh no, that's plain English explaining what the jewelry is about. Okay. Second question, this picture. Okay. What is it? It's a diadem, which is a type of a crown or a tiara. Okay. So we can imagine that the women. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote, is it ancient?
Yes, it is very
Ma'am,
much. Yes,
ma'am,
Yahya.
I
I
wrote,
wrote the
is
Turkish
that
women's wear it. Tell me where do you wear it?
So you wear it on your head, okay, because it's a crown and a tiara. So the
Yeah.
women of ancient Troy would wear it. Especially we can see it is made out of gold. So we can assume that maybe the queen of Troy would have worn it.
ma'am, I thought,
Hukabis.
ma'am, I thought it was, ma'am, I thought it was,
One person at a time.
Mammy,
Yes.
I thought it was, means, what do we say, ma'am? That a guard for in the fights, because the Indian army, when in past the Indian also, the Indians guards were like metal chains. So this also looked
Okay,
like a
okay.
chain. That's why.
Okay, fine.
That's
no
what
problem.
I was
Ma'am,
going
Yes,
to
Yahya.
Ma'am, can I
Yahya,
tell?
go ahead.
Ma'am,
I'm coming to you, child.
I have written 2 questions. Is that a crown or a earring? And what is the crown? And what is the crown or earring's name?
Okay, so there it is. Yeah. Both are answered in the very
Ma'am.
first question. The name is diadem and it is a type of crown. Aisha, go ahead.
My question was that what was the material of the gold? This cap.
Perfect.
Tiara,
It was made out of gold. Okay.
gold.
Next, we'll move on. Okay, so I'll move on. Listen to me, children.
Ma'am.
I will, Umar, listen to me. We will move on to the questions. I'm done. Can I speak? We'll move on to the questions. Just see if your question is being answered by this question. It might not have the same words. It might not be framed in the similar fashion, but your answer, you should get your answers for your questions. Is that clear?
Ma'am, I want to tell something.
Go ahead.
Ma'am, the second one, who would have owned it? That 2 answers isn't it that only? Who bought
Okay,
it?
Hamdan, you were saying?
The cost. So it
Oh, I'm sorry. Hamdan, you were saying.
And what was that thing like a shovel?
What in the previous picture?
Yeah,
That was a spear check.
spear.
Yeah. Yes, Hamza.
Ma'am, what material is that crown or hat made up of?
It's a diadem. First of all, it's a diadem with pendants. Okay, that is the name of the jewelry, the ornament, and it is made up of gold.
Ma'am, Alpha ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
is that a mannequin and they kept
Yes,
a jewelry
yes.
on it for show?
Yes, that's a mannequin, and they've displayed it on that mannequin. Okay. Now,
That
who would have
golden hat.
owned it? Yes.
Ma'am,
Who would
I
have?
have
The queen. The
The
queen.
queen. Yes, very good. It was very expensive, had a lot of
Can I
details. So it would have been worn by the queen. Yes, Ibrahim, go ahead.
Ma'am, the ancient women wear it, but they wore the silver one and the queen wore the gold one.
Wow. Is that what you found out, or you're just...
No, I found it out, and in that also in the series also of
Oh, Ertugrul. So you're making
It was-
references now. Oh my
Yeah.
God, that is perfect. That's excellent.
the wife of the Suleiman Shah
Yes.
one and the Halima Sultan and the others wear the silver.
Perfect. That is such an amazing observation. And the way you've made connections, superb, Ibrahim. Very good. I'm so happy. Yes, Hamza.
Gold na Saljan also wear the crown like that, same with gold also.
Okay, I was happy until references were made with regard to this. I don't want to know the story. But thank you, Hamza, for adding on to the point, okay? You're a good kid. Now same thing, it would have been used during King Prem's reign, okay? Where was it found? Hisarlag. Where is it now? It's in Moscow, okay? So almost last two questions are the same. Moving on.
Ma'am.
Yes. What is it? It is a small diadem, which is a type of crown or tiara again.
Ma'am, I asked. Ma'am, I wrote that. Is it a water tank?
Ma'am,
Aisha, you thought the black thing is a water tank? Aisha, we were talking about the ornament on it, beta. Yes.
I wrote that. Ma'am, I wrote that.
One person talk now. Hamza, you can
Ma'am,
listen to Aisha Kazi speaking. We'll let her talk first. Yes.
My question was this: whose house does the second picture, this picture look like? So
Oh,
the
so
hint
it,
was that.
yes, someone very wealthy or important, like a queen or a princess. See, I want to assume it is the princess because the previous picture told us that the queen would have worn it. Okay, and like Ibrahim said, like, the others wore silver, but this is still in gold, but it's a little smaller in size.
Ma'am,
So we
or
can
maybe
assume
it
that
is just a stand of gold.
Ma'am,
It would be for the bahu.
Bahu.
It would be for the bahu of the.
Okay. Or her daughter, Ibrahim.
Ma'am,
Yes, Juveria, go ahead.
can I say? Is that earrings the down one?
Yes, these are earrings.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Anas, Muhammad Saqib and Usman, switch on your videos.
Ma'am, it type of looks like a Kaaba.
That is because it is displayed on the black thing, right?
Ma'am,
You
can I say?
stand.
Ma'am, does a giant wear those earrings?
No, not really.
And
They
why
are
are
just,
those
no,
earrings
it's
so
zoomed
big?
in. No, it's zoomed in.
Ma'am,
beta.
my question was, is this a holy place?
Oh, no. It isn't. All these artifacts were found by Henry Suleiman from Hisarlag, and now they are placed in Moscow. Okay, in the museum. Now, who would have owned it? The princess or the queen? And the same questions again. Okay. The basket earring. What is it? It is an earring. There are two in the collection.
Ma'am,
Like we saw in the previous picture. Yes, the ones down.
I asked, is it a necklace?
Okay, so
I
no,
wrote
it clearly
it a
isn't.
jewelry.
Yes, it is a jewelry.
Ma'am,
And
I
it's a
thought it
earring
was
with a
a
specific-
necklace.
a jewelry?
Yes. Yes. It
Ma'am,
is.
I thought it was an Antaxina, ma'am. Uska niche ka.
Nah.
It is like a name.
You are one creative being. Yeah.
Ma'am, what is it made from?
Gold. Right here. What is it made from? It is made from gold. Okay. Who
Ma'am, for
owned it?
self-defense, for girls. Self-defense. Nunchuck. Nunchuck in their ears.
Anybody comes to a okay. Or the girl could just go like that, like that, like that. And it would already attach. Okay, who would have owned it? It would again be a queen or somebody of the wealthy family. Wealthy
Ma'am,
family.
before also I thought it was a earring because there's a hoop at the back.
That's perfect. That's a very good observation, Aisha. I like the way you all actually looked at the picture carefully and then framed question. That's the whole purpose of you watching an artifact. Otherwise, I would have just shown you the picture. Look at this picture. You would have seen and you would have forgotten. Now that you framed questions, it shows that yes, you are curious and you want to know what the artifacts are all about. And it's fun. Okay, there it is. First, when I saw this, I thought it's Aladdin ka chirag. Because it is shaped that way.
Ma'am, I also wrote it is a genie lamp.
Oh, so similar. We think so similar.
Ma'am, I wrote is this a kettle?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes,
Can I
Ibrahim,
say,
go
ma'am?
ahead.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am,
Ibrahim,
I
we'll
wrote
let
that
Ibrahim speak
is
first.
it a lamp? Ma'am, I wrote that is it a lamp or a cup?
Okay. I think that's close.
Ma'am, I wrote
Yeah.
Ma'am, I
It's a
wrote
chirag,
that it is a two-tower chirag, means broken chirag.
Broken lamp. Okay, broken genie.
It's not broken.
Ma'am, can I
ma'am.
say?
In that they
It's
put
shaped
the
that way.
fire.
We'll find out. We'll find out. Yes,
Ma'am, is this a kettle? Milk or water in it?
that we'll find out what they used for.
ma'am,
Okay, that's a very
Is
good
a
question.
kettle?
Yes, Jubaria.
It could not be of coal because it's rusting.
Okay, it could not be of gold
It
because
might
it's rusty.
be a plastic.
That's good observation.
there. It's written
It
Okay.
might be plastic.
Mohammed Saqib, why don't I have you, Mohammed Saqib? I want to see your handsome face. Hamdan,
Ma'am,
come
can
back.
I say? Is this a kettle?
No, it is similar. Okay, it is similar
Ma'am,
to a kettle. So what is
my
it? It is a
question
sauce
was
boat.
that is the artifact broken or fixed?
It is completely in its
Ma'am,
original
can I
form.
say-
It's not broken from any side. It might
Ma'am,
have been scrapped
It
Goblet.
off.
looks like it's broken from
Yes,
up.
okay. Yes, the shape makes you think that it's broken from it, but it is definitely not. So it's a sauce boat with two handles, and sauce boat is basically a vessel from which you can pour. Okay, any liquid form you can pour from it.
Is it a glass that series में कम ऐसा लोटा ऐसा?
Ha. Yes, similar to that.
Ma'am, what is under it?
It's a
Ma'am, we can use that to plant flowers. You just have to put
water your flowers. Yes, you can do that. That would be amazing.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, all of the pictures you have shown, it is all found in ancient Troy.
One is left.
Yes,
ma'am,
the
one is
last
left.
three questions are almost similar. Now, who would it have been used for? It is believed that the vessel would have been used for ritual ceremonies. Okay, so it is a cultural thing. Like, if they don't have a harvest, so they pray to their gods. So in order to offer an offering made to the gods, so they pour the water or whatever they would have done in the
Ma'am, I
ritual
know their
ceremony.
famous ritual.
Okay.
Whenever someone is married, they do a salwar.
They do a sword dance. Okay, yes. I
That's
know.
so boring.
Sword
dance.
Yeah. Okay, coming to the next. is
Ma'am,
the
can I
gold
say?
Ma'am,
I'll
I
come.
wrote, is it a mirror?
Okay, because you saw this thing down.
Yes.
All right. No,
Ma'am,
it
I wrote,
definitely
is this
isn't.
a showpiece?
No, it's not a showpiece.
Ma'am,
Here
my
it is.
question
trident.
was that my
a
question
trident,
was that
ma'am.
how many jars were there in this artifact? How many jars?
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
Ma'am, I wrote two questions on this.
It is
Is this
I don't
a weapon
understand.
trident?
It doesn't look like a
Ma'am, the
spear.
round part is not is not a gold.
Why? No. The down part is a stand. The down part is a stand where they are trying to hold the pin. Okay. Now,
But what
it's
is
a
it?
gold pin possibly used for fastening clothes. So if I have to attach, you see this pin of mine? Yes. It is bringing all the layers of my scarf together. Okay, this is what I'm using it for. Maybe in the ancient Troy, the women over there, whatever clothes they had, say a dupatta or a shawl or whatever, so they would have used the golden pin to fasten it, to attach it. Okay.
इतना
Now,
बड़ा
it is made
golden
up
pin, ma'am.
of- it is seeming big over here. The pictures have been zoomed and showed.
It is zoomed like the earring.
Yeah.
The earring
Yes.
was so small and it showed.
It is small, yeah. Come on.
Ma'am,
It is not
ma'am,
gold.
Golden pin.
ma'am,
Yes.
I don't.
It doesn't look like a
Why
pin.
is that stand is used for? I got the answer, and the second one is what is that stand's name?
Stand doesn't have a stand. Is a stand.
Stand.
This is a golden pin. Okay. You can
Ma'am,
see
can
the
I
needle
say?
over here. All right. Now, who would have owned it? It would have been owned by somebody wealthy and important, of course. So, if it is related to gold, and if we are saying that it is King Priam's treasure, then it is obvious that it must have been owned by somebody.
King Faisal trend.
Ma'am,
it was
found in first. I thought it was a shovel.
Oh, that's a
Why
good
is this shaped like a trident?
a trident.
Ma'am,
Look at it this way. Like these are two
ma'am,
wheels.
the top of the pin is shaped like a ship's
The
sail.
place that they hold
Yes,
it and
yes.
turn everything walls like that. So it's like a car.
Ma'am,
Also
do you
car.
like gold?
No.
Ma'am, it's like a smaller car.
I also don't like gold
Yeah, I am.
because many people come to your house to fight for it.
you like
Oh my God.
Ma'am, I know you like casual.
Yes. I like no jewelry at all.
Ma'am
And if there's I am a non-jewelry person, so nobody can come to my house to fight with me. I am safe that way. Yes.
Someone said that this is a leg piece.
Eat it, Hamza. You can think of leg pieces only. Only you could have thought of leg pieces.
Ma'am, day before yesterday we made the Airtel Ghosh and snacks.
Oh, wow. So I can see a lot of people benefiting from these series, you know. The children are learning a lot about the Turkish history, and the mothers are getting to learn a lot of handicrafting and recipes and dishes coming out. It's good. If it is enriching you with knowledge, perfect. All right. Now
I don't share that well, ma'am, because I don't.
That's fine. Abdullah, you know what? You and me are the same. I tried watching it. I went on Netflix. I saw up to 9 episodes of season 1. Then I thought, let me just see how many are there in this series. There are 5 seasons with 75 episodes each. I said, I don't have the time, bro.
Second, there are 114.
Shut up. I am not going.
Ma'am, for gold.
Like them because they're boring. Like you have to just sit and see and.
The only part I liked was Halima. She was one pretty woman I would love to watch.
Ma'am, the name would be so. The name would be so different. Turgut.
Yes,
me,
Juveria.
my daddy, Dada, and Safia, we all watch Airtel full. We finished Kullus Usman also. Now we are going to his son, Kullus Usman's son.
You are the queen of binge watching, man. You are the queen of binge watching.
I also finished watching Kullus Usman.
Wow. Yes,
Mom,
Muhammad
Mohammed
Mamadi.
sees every series in Netflix.
Ma'am, somebody calculated.
Muhammad, you know what, Muhammad?
And if we
Netflix actually offers job to people who.
Netflix job.
No, listen. I'm just telling you, just in case a side hobby and you wish to not do anything in life and yet you want to earn money, Netflix hires people to watch videos and movies for them, and they pay them for watching movies
Wow.
and videos. Trust me, yes, it is.
That is so
It is
funny.
real.
You have to pay them money for getting.
No, no. You just have to apply for movie before it is put on
Ma'am,
Netflix.
can I
You have
say
to watch the movie
something?
or the series or whatever, and you have to tell them whether it is appropriate or what age would it come under. Is it like, you know, allowed for the people of that particular region to be released in? All right. And if you give all these feedbacks and have a discussion with them, they pay you for that.
Ma'am,
Isn't
can
it
I
cool?
say something?
Yes.
Ma'am, somebody calculated that the whole series, if we see now, the hours are some 72,000 hours. The full Kullu stuck full.
Forget it. I don't have that much time.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, yes, Umar.
Ma'am,
One episode is 45 minutes.
can I see?
Yes, Umar.
No, ma'am,
Speak.
it is more than 45
Ma'am,
minutes.
Umar,
Yes, it is
2 hours.
mostly.
It is for 2
No.
hours.
One
He just
episode
gave an
is mostly
approximate time.
45 minutes.
He just gave an approximate time. Let Umar speak.
2 hours. 2 hours.
Ma'am,
The Kullus one, but not the Ertirul.
Umar, 1 minute. 1 minute, Umar. These are not human beings. They cannot control themselves. How, Umar? Now unmute yourself and talk.
Ma'am,
Yes.
and I also watched some episodes when my father told it this much season. I did not watch it.
Yes, everybody loses hope. Okay, now we've
Make your
discussed
own
enough
cartoon,
of- See,
Bamba.
you're talking something that Humaira is not interested. So she got up and she walked off. Now who will get her back?
I want to say.
Now you have to get Humaira back. It's all your fault. Okay, here it is. Now this, who is aware of Greek gods and
Me.
goddesses? Yes, I
Me.
appreciate Muhammad Mohammadi to raise his
Me.
hand.
Ma'am,
Juvaria, very good.
written Alpha's only has started.
Percy
There's
Jackson.
nothing else. It's a black screen. Yeah,
Ma'am,
ma'am,
have
it's
you
a
seen
black
the
screen.
movie Percy Jackson?
It's a black. Yes, I've seen. It's a black. Okay.
Yes, we can't say.
He's a
Okay.
Ma'am,
demigod.
King
ma'am.
Zeus.
King
Ma'am,
Zeus.
last year we studied now.
Sophia didi read the book.
In the PT, in the PT2 we studied.
Now can you see?
This was a project. We made a poster.
Okay. So now in this class we will just quickly see about the Greek gods and goddesses. All right. Now what I expect you to remember. Yes,
Apollo
I
11.
have expectation. Apollo. No, that's not Apollo 11. Okay, it was named after him. Anyway, I want you to remember
Ma'am, it's
this.
a black
The
screen.
picture and the first part. Okay, oh, that's good, Aisha. You should know then. Okay, so this part, the name, and this part. All right. So first one is said to be Zeus. In Greek, they call him Zeus. Okay, in Greek they call him Zeus, and he is said to be the god of the sky and the king of the other gods. His symbol is a lightning bolt. Okay, so that is Zeus for you. This
And
is
eagle
Hera.
also. Eagle also.
Okay, eagle. Hera, this is Hera. She is Zeus's wife. In Greek, they call her Hera. The H is silent. Okay, they call her Hera, and she is the goddess of marriage, mothers and family. Okay, so she is Zeus's wife. So basically, if Zeus is the father of all the gods, then she automatically becomes the mother. All right.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
actually, ma'am, this woman, no, is her, he is her brother.
Hmm?
He's a
Woman
brother.
is her brother. How can woman be a brother? She would be a sister, na Hamza.
Yeah, she's the sister, and he married her sister only.
Okay, I don't know how that's
What
possible,
you are
but that's
saying?
very creepy. I understood what he's saying. Forget it. Okay, this one, the one with the arrow, is Artemis. Okay, in Greek they call him Artemis. Okay, and it's Artemis. She's the goddess of moon and hunting. You can see this arrow in her hand, so that depicts hunting. She's the
Ma'am,
sister of
I
Kapil.
thought it is the goddess of art because it has arts.
Art in it. Wish it was that easy. Anyway, this one over here, right here, this gentleman in maroon is Apollo. He's the god of archery and the god of the sun. Okay.
Ma'am, I thought
He's-
he was the god of snakes.
no, he is the god of sun and he
Slytherin. Salazar Slytherin is the god of
Slytherin.
snakes.
Okay, yes.
Anaconda
And
should
he
come.
is said to be, his symbol is laurel and wealth. Okay, so richness, basically wealth.
Ma'am, can you tell again my network was gone?
Yeah, can you see the screen? There is nothing to say. I'm just reading it out from the screen. So we have Zeus, also known as Zeus, Hera, Artemis, and Apollo was Apollo. Okay. This gentleman right here with feathers on his shoe,
Ma'am, he was the god of speed.
he is the messenger. Okay, so he would
He
fly
can fly.
off everywhere and give messages to the other gods if everybody had to say something to the other person. His name in English we call him Hermes, and in Greek they call him Hermes.
Ma'am, he can fly.
Yes.
That's why he has feathers.
Of
Ma'am,
course.
it is said Hermes went to Atlas and took the world in his shoulders, but then Hermes tricked Atlas and Atlas took
Okay,
back.
yes, there are a lot of mythical stories about the Greek gods and goddesses. So it might be, I'm not
It's
denying
not
it.
real.
I'm not denying it. Okay, next is Aphrodite. Aphrodite. That's what they call them. Her
Diet,
in
ma'am,
Greek.
diet.
But in English, we call her Aphrodite. Okay. Yes, and she is the goddess of love, and her symbol is dove.
That's why she has a very big name.
You're a very nice rhymer.
Thank you. Okay. Okay. Here it is.
Venus, Mercury.
This right over here is the god. Shh. This right over here. Umar, control, beta. This right here is the goddess of harvest. Okay, you can see crop plants.
Is her name, ma'am?
wheat plant. Her name in English we call her Demeter, and in Greek they call her Mimiter. That's what they call her.
Ma'am, she's a girl.
Yes, she's a goddess.
She's a girl.
Here comes the mafia god Hades. Okay, he is the god of the underworld.
I know in
Underworld, a very good example of underworld would be Jahannam, hell.
He's the brother of Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus name, Baba. Zeus.
Zeus.
Zeus. Okay,
Zeus.
or Zeus. He is the brother of Zeus.
is Yahya.
Now I thought
Name Pluto means.
Yeah, brother of Jesus. Yeah.
Ma'am, Roman name Pluto means.
Roman name, another name. Like
Ma'am,
it's like a
Hades is
nickname.
bad or
It's like
good?
a nickname for
Ma'am,
them.
Hades is a bad god or a
Ma'am,
good god?
first I thought you were telling Zeus.
Zeus name. Zeus.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Yes.
Hades is
You're
a
telling
good
Zeus,
god or a
fella.
bad god, ma'am?
If a French person would come to you and ask for juice, it would sound juice.
Ma'am, Hades is a good god or a bad god?
Hades is a bad god. He's the bad boy of the
Ma'am,
game.
ma'am, can you 1 minute go to the slide which you showed before this?
Man, he's boy, man. I like he's boy.
Yeah, he's
Ma'am,
a
1 minute, can you go to the slide which you showed before this?
coming. I shall grant your request after I finish these two. Okay. Now next is the goddess of wisdom. Okay. Athena. In Greek they call
bad or
her
good?
Athena. In Greek they call her Athena, and in English we call her Athena. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I
you
know
can
brother
know the place Athens,
Yes,
Greece is named after her. Okay.
Ma'am, what means, ma'am, which place is Athens? I don't know.
Ma'am, Roman name
Athens
is
in
Minna.
Greece.
Ma'am, she is
good or bad?
And professor of
She is a
Hogwarts,
fighter,
Minerva
bro.
McGonagall.
She's a fighter.
brother is a horse.
Warrior. Yes.
What
God of
did you say?
warrior.
So, ma'am, is she good or bad?
She's good.
Ma'am, I really like A's. And what about A's?
Okay. So this last one for you. In English we call him Eris. Okay. And in Greek we call him Ars. Ars.
Mars. Ma'am, it is
Okay.
written there Mars.
He is the god of war. Children, that's the Roman name. Okay, the real name is right over here.
Actual one villain name was also Ares.
Aris? Okay. Okay. Yes. He is the brother of Athena.
Man, the Roman name is God of War.
You don't have to remember the Roman name. You don't have to remember the Roman name. That's completely fine.
Stop.
Okay, so here we are. We'll wrap it up. Greek gods: Zeus, Hera, Artemis, Apollo, Hermes, Aphrodite, Demeter, Hades, Athena.
And why is Hades bad?
Because he's the god of the underworld.
So, उसमें क्या है? Hades.
उसमें ये है कि Hades wanted to become the king of the gods. He wanted to take place. He wanted to take place, Zeus's place. But what happened was he was made the god of the underworld because he was not a very good person.
Ma'am, I can only remember Athena because I can remember Athens.
Now there is a catch.
A game, God of War.
I can remember Apollo because Apollo
God
Hospital,
of War.
Apollo
There is a
11.
game.
God of
War is a game.
God of War.
Is a game.
It's a video game.
Yes.
Let's play.
Poseidon.
Poseidon. Yes, there was Poseidon too. Okay, so can we play that game online?
No, not PS4.
Somebody has to buy a PS4.
Which game? Ma'am, which game?
Don't bring games if we cannot play it online. What's the point? Okay. Now,
Who would buy?
what you guys?
Do you have PS4? Now we can see a video of somebody playing it.
No, but I want to play it. I don't want to see the video.
We don't want a virtual tour in a lockdown.
Yeah. Okay. Now,
Table on a computer. Ma'am, you can play it, but
too bad. No. Doesn't make sense. I don't have a PS at all. So the discussion ends over there. All right. Now, coming, I showed you. We explored. What did we do in today's class, children? We explored King Priam's treasure. Nothing. We didn't do anything, Umar Sharif.
We framed questions.
How bad. We explored King Priam's treasure, yes, and we learned a lot about it. Then we also
coming with his army to get us because we took it away.
we had our guest from Greeks, okay, the Greek gods and goddesses, goddess came to visit us, and I want you all to remember those guests because in the next class I will start with the.
They were not guests. They were Roman gods.
Uninvited guests. No.
Yes. Thank you for spilling thanda pani on my mehnat by saying all that.
Ma'am, don't give assignment.
No assignment for you. The only assignment is you have to remember these gods and goddesses.
Thank you, ma'am.
In the next class,
Ma'am, did you correct the lost cities one?
yes,
The
I
lost
saw the
cities
lost
one.
cities and perfect. I have put in my comments. I have mentioned and I've returned your assignments to you, so you can go through it.
Ma'am, you saw my assignment.
Students who are not submitting their assignments,
Ma'am, I was
students who are not submitting.
and Pompeii.
Students who are not submitting the assignments, don't think I don't know you. Okay?
Ma'am,
So-
you saw my assignment.
Yes, I did.
Ma'am,
All right.
you
And also, children, we will play a game. I will divide you all into 2 teams in the next class. And there will be a surprise for the winner. You will definitely have a prize for remembering the Greek gods and goddesses. All right. So you remember that well. I am not.
Word and I send you.
Yes, Hamdan, I know.
We have to send in
Your
Google.
assignment was good, Hamdan.
Ma'am, can you put girls and versus boys?
Ma'am,
No. No girls
Ma'am.
versus boys. I already have 2 teams divided. Yes, Anas.
ma'am, we have to send in Google Classroom.
One of the SDG
Where
goals
else will you send it, Anas?
gender doesn't matter. One of the SDG goals is only gender.
Ma'am.
So,
Ma'am,
Gender equality. Hmm.
Ma'am, we will
Ma'am,
do
I am
this
the-
activity on Thursday.
No. Tuesday.
ma'am,
Next Tuesday we have only one SDG class. What to do?
So we can do.
Today we will do the storytelling. We are waiting.
Yes,
for
yes, yes, yes. Storytelling. I want storytelling to happen anyhow.
Always postponing it.
That's right. No. Now I'm not going to postpone.
ma'am, I am telling. Why? Ma'am, can you show the picture to revise?
Go search.
You
Okay.
go after the class on this video and
You go up in the sky and
Bye. Take care. I'll see you. No homework for you. But remember the Greek gods and goddesses. Okay.
go underground and search.
why didn't we feed them chai pani, thanda, cool, chai pani? They must be hungry, no?
Go eat, Hamza.